Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making spinach and mushroom stir fry. To begin, I have 1 pack of baby Bella whole mushrooms and I have 2 packs of organic baby spinach. So I have 2 packs, okay? So I'm going to cut this spinach now and then we'll go ahead and start. So you want to roughly cut your spinach into whatever size you want. So after cutting your spinach, you want to go ahead and cut your mushrooms. So guys, after washing the rice, I put it in here in my rice cooker. So just in case, I have 2 cups of jasmine rice here. So I'll go in with some hot water. I'll go in with some organic coconut oil. And a little bit of salt. Okay, so that's it. So I just let this rice cook in my rice cooker. So now I'm going to cut some onion, 1.5. So to begin, you can either use organic coconut oil or you can use red palm oil. Okay, so they are both plant-based oil, okay? But for this recipe, I'm going to use red palm oil. I'm going to add a little bit in the pan. So you want to go in here with your onion. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, we're going to bring in the mushrooms and let it stir fry. So I'm going to come in with some spinach. So I'm going to let this boil for like 2 minutes and then our stir fry spinach and mushroom is ready. So there you go guys. So guys, this dish is ready. Have the stir fried spinach and we also have our white rice. This is what you want. You bring your plate. And there you have it. So we're gonna come here with our vegan sauce, spinach and mushrooms. Very delicious, super easy to make. This was pretty much ready in 10 minutes. Okay, very easy and very delicious. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very beautiful day. Bye bye.